Hey guys, been a while since the last video, so I figured I'd just quickly put a short one together. Yeah, it's been sort of 4 or 5 months I think. Not a lot has happened. Been waiting on a car to come in from Japan to use as a donor car for the car behind me. It has arrived, but we've actually found out it's a bit rarer than we thought it might be. It's the version 10 A-line. Not a lot of people have heard about the car. Most people hear A-line and think it's the auto. It's the version 11 GRB automatic ones, which are still STIs, but this is more of a, you call it like a gentleman's STI. So it doesn't have the big wing, it doesn't have the gold wheels, the Brembos are black, so it's a much more of a subtle looking car. Found out, yeah, there's 599 were built, and as far as I'm aware, maybe the only or one of the only ones in New Zealand. I might put up for sale just to see if anyone wants to take advantage of the opportunity, and then again have to wait for another car to come in from Japan to use as a donor car, but don't know just yet. I'll have a think on that and see what I want to do. Been buying a couple more little pieces for it. The front corner pieces that are pretty stuffed, as you can see, it held on with the cable ties and pretty much coming off. Got some new one of those I've just recently picked up. They've just finally arrived from coming overseas after about a 6-month wait. And also I've got some inner guard liners as well. Obviously with the sedan guards, they're a fraction wider than the WRX, and this one's, I think it's got one on one side but not the other, so it needs replacing. Picking up another couple of things along the way as we see fit. Ready for the STI swap is the 40H KS downpipe, so that'll go onto that, probably with the second half of this exhaust, and then it will go off to get tuned and all that sort of thing. If we keep the 10, I'm hoping to get that done maybe June. Switch everything over. There's 2 events coming up. We've got Super Cruise May the 20th to the 22nd, and then 2 weeks, no, about a week later I think it is, there's like 2 weeks, I don't know, Club Fest at Hampton Downs. Super Cruise is just cruising around, take your mates for a hoon and do whatever. Club Fest, a couple more other events, but I'll probably just do the cruising sessions there as well. I'm not really too keen to do Hampton at speed because I can't be bothered. I've always preferred the technical tracks like Topo. Yeah, that's about it. There are a couple of, yeah, like I said, little bits and pieces I've been buying along the way. I haven't kept a list of what's recent since that video, but just slowly getting things together ready for when we do the swap and switch it all over. I actually did come across a piece that's going to go into the car as well. This piece, I've actually never physically seen one apart from the one that arrived once it arrived. Basically I messaged someone overseas and asked where this fella got his piece from, and basically he said he'd look at selling it, so he did. That's it. I'll wrap it up there. Like I said, STI swap's probably June-ish, and then after that we'll start looking at the panel and paint and all the rubbish that goes with that. So yeah, don't know when the next video will be, but probably be a good couple of months away, but we will see you in that one. See ya.